Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to become an affiliate partner of Skyscanner for travel websites. If you run a travel blog or website and want to monetize it by helping users find flights and earning commissions, this partnership is a great way to start generating income from your content. First, head over to skyscanner.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it quickly before proceeding. Once you're logged in, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find several footer links and you want to click on Partners. This section is specifically designed for businesses and individuals who want to work with Skyscanner commercially. After clicking Partners, you'll see different partnership options. Click on Affiliates. This is the program designed for content creators and website owners who want to earn by promoting Skyscanner's flight search service. Now click Apply Now to begin the application process. This will take you to the sign up page where you'll start creating your affiliate account. On the next screen, click Sign Up. Skyscanner will now display the contract terms for their affiliate program. Take a moment to read through these terms as they outline your responsibilities and what you can expect from the partnership. Once you've reviewed everything, scroll to the bottom and check the checkbox that says, I have read and accepted Skyscanner's offer. Then click Continue to move forward. You'll now be asked to log into your account. For this example, let's log in using a Google account, which makes the process quick and seamless. Input your first name, last name, email, and mobile phone number in the fields provided. Make sure all details are accurate, as this information will be tied to your affiliate account. Then click Get Started. Skyscanner will send a verification code to your mobile number or email. Input the verification code when prompted. This step confirms your identity and secures your account. After entering the verification code, you'll be taken to your partner dashboard setup. Here you'll need to fill in important details about your platform. Input your website URL, which should be your travel site where you plan to promote Skyscanner. Then add your company name, or if you're an individual, just use your name. Select your country from the drop-down menu and specify your primary audience or location. This helps Skyscanner understand who your content reaches. Next, you'll need to describe your platform. In this section, explain what your website is about. For example, you might run a travel blog, share flight deals, post hotel reviews, or offer destination guides. Also mention your traffic sources such as SEO, social media, email newsletters, or paid ads. Finally, provide an estimate of your monthly visitors. Don't worry if the number is small, just be clear and honest as this information affects your approval. Now it's time to choose your integration type. Skyscanner typically offers several options, including widgets, which are easy to embed and require no coding, deep links that let you link directly to search results, and white label or API options for more advanced setups. If you're a beginner, it's best to pick widgets or affiliate links, as these are the simplest to implement and start using right away. Once you've filled in all the required fields, review all your details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Then click Submit or Apply to send your application to Skyscanner. Your application will now be reviewed by their team. Approval can take a few days, so be patient during this process. You'll receive an email once your application is approved, and from there you can start integrating Skyscanner into your website and earning commissions. And that's it. You've successfully applied to become a Skyscanner affiliate partner. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.